Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to make your Twitter or X account private. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store or Google Play and you're going to type right here X or Twitter, and you're going to double check if your Twitter app needs to be updated. And as you can see, there is a newest update coming, so please just go ahead and update it. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen to quick demonstrate how it's done. Go ahead to your browser. And if you want to make your Twitter account private, open the Twitter app and go to your profile page and tap on the settings and privacy tab in the top right corner of your screen, and then select privacy and safety, and then from the list options toggle protect my tweets to on and enter your password when prompted. So I'm gonna just go back to my screen and go ahead to the X app or Twitter app, and basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on my avatar icon at the top left and go ahead and click on the settings and support, and you're gonna see right here a pop-up window, settings and privacy. Go ahead to privacy and safety, and basically go ahead to your post, not your post, you're gonna go ahead to the audience and tagging, and just go ahead and protect your own tweets and videos as well. And that means no one will be able to see your tweets or your videos without your approval. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.